start this video, we want to say thank you so much to all our subscribers. We finally hit 1K.
1K.
We have traveled to the beautiful province of Khao Yai. At the moment, we're in the national park and it is absolutely stunning. We've already seen monkeys and we've already seen deer. We're hoping to see elephant. We've seen elephant poop, but no elephants. So to get into the national park, you do have to pay 200 baht each as a foreigner. And for us, because we came in with our bike, we paid 20 baht for the bike. I think it was 40 baht for the car.
Okay guys, we have just stopped at Khao Yai mountain, which is a viewpoint, and not most cars can already stop here because it's just like on the side of the road. We're luckily on a bike. Look at that view. Living in the space like shining in the dark without my bright side. Wanna see your image like an icon. Couldn't even see it with the lights on. We are here at Hill, so what if I don't know how to say that? Hill. But let's go have a look how it looks.
Now it is very noisy, but it's so beautiful. Definitely worth coming to. So we're out of the park and we have now come to Chocolate Factory.
The area that we're in now is called Pak Chong.
Pak Chong, yeah. So we're just gonna get some lunch and I want to change my clothes because we want to go to a sunflower field and do some, you know, pretty things. And this is not exactly pretty, it's more of my hiking clothes. I'm being fussy, so I'm changing. Jason...
I'm gonna stay the way I am.
Jason's staying the same, but yeah, this place is super cute. They have a really good menu. We've been to the Chocolate Factory in a couple of different provinces and we are obsessed. We do love this restaurant a lot. So we're gonna eat. I've already got changed and I see the clouds are coming in, so we're hoping it's not gonna rain, but we are gonna go to the sunflower fields after this. We'll attempt. If it starts raining, we're gonna come up with a new plan.
It is about to rain. Clouds are looking very dark. There's a lot of thunder. A lot of thunder.
At least we packed in rain coats and pants.
We came prepared.
Yeah, we were prepared. You know, the rain seems to be following us. Okay, so we're leaving our hotel because the rain has stopped, finally, and we're gonna go venture around. I think we're gonna go stop at PB Valley, which is also a winery, but I think they have a tour that they give you of the whole vineyard and then you have some wine tasting. I'm sorry if you can't see my mouth, but I'm pretty sure you'll hear me. So we're gonna see how much that is and see if we can do it today. Pretty excited doing that. We did it before, about what, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
It was really nice.
favorite part has arrived finally. Get to do some wine tasting. Tasting. Not tasting, tasting.
Wink, wink.
I had some wine already.
Okay, so this is what we have to do. Jason, pay attention.
Focus.
We gotta look. Okay, remember this. Look. Swirl. Smell. Taste. Okay, we're gonna do that.
I'll try my best.
Blend together. แบบที่3นะคะจะเป็นที่นี่ Reserve ชิว
Okay, so I got my glass of wine and I'm gonna follow the instructions.
Extractions, huh?
Instructions. So what is it? See the wine in the glass.
So. Okay. Next
Okay.
is.
I'm gonna swirl it. Okay, and then sip it.
I thought you were gonna down it, Jason. Cheese.
Thank you.
On to the next one. So they do offer you can take a basket, but it's 260 baht per kilo. But we're not going to do that. But it's an option. So we've just stopped on the side of the road because when we were driving through, we just saw this massive gold statue. And I'm not too sure if it's Buddha, but I assume it is, but it is absolutely stunning. It is huge, you guys. It is massive. And we're just getting some footage of it now. It's incredible, honestly. Okay, so we made it to a cafe we've been dying to go to. It's called Within Khao Yai. And it's kind of got this Stonehenge type of, I don't know, you wouldn't even say vibe, but it's literally got a replica of the Stonehenge, and it's really cute. And I think a lot of Khao Yai actually has a lot of like European influence. They try to give,
It's very European.
yeah, very European. You've got Rome, you've got
Italy,
you've got England,
France.
It's just they try to give, I think, the Thai people a chance to feel how it would feel to be overseas. So they,
in their own country.
yeah, in their own country. It's all here in Khao Yai, and it's absolutely stunning. So basically, this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so we came at the wrong time. It closes at 5:30, but they did say we could come just get photos, and that's pretty much all we did. So now we're leaving and we're going to
Midwinter. Which is also very European.
Yeah, it's really cool. It looks like a castle, so we're gonna go there and have dinner. But oh, the place smells so good. It's like Okay, so this is Midwinter Khao Yai. This is the restaurant we're telling you about that has that very, English, very old castle look, and it's absolutely stunning. We're here just before the sun starts going down. This restaurant is a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it, and I would definitely recommend visiting this place. We did come here the last time we came, and we absolutely loved it. It's so gorgeous inside. We'll give you a look.
So we were very lucky. We asked for a seat, and yet there's a waiting list, but we didn't get a waiting list. We just walked right in.
Okay, so we're trying to find a waiter to give our music, to our table number 2. Okay guys, so this is where we're going to be ending our video. We've had an absolute fantastic day. Even though it rained a little bit, it didn't stop us from doing everything we needed to do, and we were able to fit in so much stuff. Weirdly enough, Khao Yai has so much to offer. It's probably one of our favorite places.
Yeah, we had like the best time of our lives here. We love it. We love it,
we keep coming back, and I will continue to keep coming back.
And the weather is a lot cooler here.
For sure. Yeah, actually, when we were driving through the national park, we were freezing. Like my nose, I don't know if you get that. I don't know if you get it.
I get it.
But you don't even know what I've said.
You say your nose gets cold or burns.
Yes, it burns, but to a point where it feels like your nose starts running. Okay, he gets it too. Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.